Find the lowest common multiple of 12, 18, and 27. To find the lowest common multiple of 12, 18, and 27, we use prime factorization on all three numbers. That is, we factor 12 so that one of its factors is the smallest possible prime. That would be 2 times 6, and 2 is a prime. However, 6 is a composite and we can continually factor it. And again, we factor 6 so that one of its factors is the smallest possible prime. And that would be 2 times 3. And it turns out both 2 and 3 are prime numbers, so we're done. Now we factor 18, so that again, one of its factors is the smallest possible prime. And we have 2 times 9, where 2 is a prime and 9 is a composite. So we can continually factor 9 to obtain 3 times 3, where 3 and 3 are both prime numbers. Next, we factor 27, so that one of its factors is the smallest possible prime, and we obtain 3 times 9, where 3 is a prime, but 9 is not. So we can continually factor 9 to obtain 3 times 3, where both 3 and 3 are prime numbers. So we're done. So the prime factorization of 12 is 2 times 2 times 3, which can be rewritten as 2 squared times 3. And the prime factorization of 18 is 2 times 3 times 3, which can be rewritten as 2 times 3 squared. And finally, the prime factorization of 27 is 3 times 3 times 3, which can be rewritten as 3 to the third power. So the least common multiple of 12, 18, and 27 is the product of each prime in 12, 18, and 27 raised to the highest power. That is, since we have 2 squared here and 2 here, we write 2 squared, since it has the highest exponent, times. And since we have 3 here, 3 squared here, and 3 to the third here, we write times 3 to the third, since it has the highest exponent. And we see 2 squared gives us 4 times 3 cubed, which gives us 27. And 4 times 27 equals 108. Therefore, the least common multiple of 12, 18, and 27 is 108.